everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can link your Darts of Fury to your Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, open the Darts of Fury app on your device. Now tap on Profile. Next, select the key light icon. Here you can find different kinds of options such as sign in with Apple, sign in with Facebook and sign in with Google. Tap on sign in with Facebook since you wanna connect your Facebook to the game. Next, select continue and then provide your Facebook information. After that, your account will be linked to the Facebook account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.